Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our product title is Grid Connected PV Wind Battery Based Multi-Input Transformer Coupled Bidirectional DC to DC Converter for Household Applications. Let us see about abstract of our product. Renewable energy is generally defined as energy that is collected from resources which are naturally getting on a human timescale such as sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves and geothermal heat. Renewable energy often provides energy in four important areas, that is electrical generation, air and water heating and cooling, transportation and rural energy services. In this proposed work is design a control strategy for power flow management of a grid connected hybrid photovoltaic wind battery based system with an efficient multi-input transformer coupled bidirectional DC to DC converter is used. The proposed system aims to satisfy the load demand, manage the power flow from different sources, injected the surplus power into the grid and charge the battery from the grid as and when required. A transformer coupled boost half bridge converter is used to harness power from wind, while a bidirectional buck boost converter is used to harness power from PV along with battery charging and discharging control. A single base full bridged bidirectional converter is used for feeding AC loads and interaction with the grid. The proposed converter architecture has reduced number of power conversion stages with less component count and reduces losses compared with existing grid connected hybrid system. This improves the efficiency and also increases the reliability of the overall system. This implementation is done in MATLAB Simulink environment. Next we see about flow diagram of our product. This is our flow diagram. In this flow diagram consists three input sources. They are photovoltaic source, battery and wind source. The three sources is connected in the converter, DC to DC converter, and that is connected in a corresponding manner depend on the circuit. And in the DC to DC converter is a boost converter. That converter is boosted the input voltage to output voltage, and the output of the DC to DC converter is fed into the transformer. This transformer is coupled with the DC to DC converter and output side, and output of the boost converter is fed into the inverter. The inverter is nothing but, generally we all know that is a conversion of DC to AC. So the output of the DC to DC converter is converting into AC, and after that the AC voltage, the AC power will be connected with the grid, and also the output of the inverter is connected to a one corresponding AC load. The AC load may be a motor or anything else, and also the overall process consists less number of counts component, and the using of transformer coupled, the overall reliability will be increases. Next we see about running process of our product. In this proposed implementation is done in MATLAB Simulink environment. The version is 2013. First open the MATLAB window and create a new model file. This is a new model file. In this new model file having a Simulink library browser. In this library browser having lot of elements, whatever we record, that elements is tracking into the corresponding module. After connecting the element as per the circuit, we click the run icon. After clicking that, the output voltage, current and correspondings will be displayed in the corresponding scope. First one, the input battery and voltage, current and that state of charge values, and the next one is the input pulses is given to the corresponding switching elements. That means the MOSFET or IGBT is used for the purpose of DC to DC conversion and inverter also. And next one, this is the input PV voltage values, voltage, current and IGBT characteristics is connected in the corresponding elements. Next one, the corresponding wind value and corresponding IGBT characteristics. And next one, the output DC current is getting from the DC to DC converter output side. And next one, the output DC voltage, this is getting from the output side of the DC to DC converter. After that, this is the inverter side output current, and the next one, the inverter side output voltages. So the three base voltages is fed into the AC grid. So the overall grid voltages is fed into the corresponding AC loads. So overall reliability will be improved by using of this kind of transformer coupled based DC to DC converter structure. Thank you for watching this video.